Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Papel Picado. Now normally Papel Picados are made by stacking 40 to 50 sheets of tissue paper, laying down a template and chiseling out the patterns with a mallet. So obviously we're not doing that. We're going to use one sheet of tissue paper, our template, and a pair of scissors to make, hopefully, something that will look like this. So Papel Picados are used as decoration in many different secular and religious holidays in Mexico, like Easter, Christmas, Day of the Dead, even in weddings and quinceañeras, especially for Day of the Dead. They'll string them all together and put them up in the ofrendas. And if you guys would like to learn more about Day of the Dead, you can check out one of our databases, especially Culturegrams. It's a really fun one to learn about different people and places. So today we are going to do the floral Papel Picado. So you should have your pattern, your directions, and your tissue paper. Now it's important to read the directions, and you're going to follow along with me in the directions, or you can watch me and then just follow the directions, whatever you'd like. So you're going to cut off your pattern on the sides, which I've already done, but you'll see on your pattern at home how it has this excess trim here. So you'll just trim that off, and then you'll cut your tissue paper to be in the size of the pattern, like so, and then you lay it on top. And you can see how we can see where we're going to fold, we can see where we're going to cut, and you can try more than one piece of tissue paper. It's just harder to see the more layers you have. All right, so first step is folding it in half. Now you want to fold in half so that the pattern is sticking up so we can still see it. And then we're going to fold in half again. You might have to make it get really close so you guys can see. So that's what it should look like for our first cutting, which is going to be down here. So you can see the little cuts. Okay, so it should look like that, which it does, yay. So then we're going to unfold it. Make sure when you unfold, keep it together because it's easy to get separated because tissue paper is so light. And then you're going to fold it again and you'll see the little dashes. Now this is when it starts to get a little hard. You see how we're going to try to make it look like that? So we've got to follow our pattern by cutting. Now you want to cut through both sides of the paper. And the more you fold it, the more it gets a little hard to cut. But you can do. If you do a ton of these, which people do, you might start to have a little pain in your hand. So ultimately it will look like this, as it does here. And then you're going to go to the next directions, which is fold it diagonally, so like that. And you'll see I've already cut it. Normally it would look like this without the cuts. So we fold, and we gotta cut these out. Okay, so we are done with that one. So what are the next directions? Unfold. And we have one more fold here. So you'll see this long line here. Now this is a much lighter paper, so you can actually see through this really, really well. So if you have white or a really light pink or a light yellow, your lines will probably be very, very visible. But we're so close to the end. We're so close to seeing if it's going to be as pretty as the design. Okay, so we've done all our cutting, so we're going to unfold the whole thing. when you unfold, be a little careful because you could rip the tissue paper. I've done that also. I've made a lot of these over the years. All right, and there it is. And it kind of looks like florally. So at home, you guys can try out the abstract one, which is gonna look like more patterns. Or you can do the sugar skull one, which is actually really cool too. And if you need more help, you know what? You can always come into the branch and I can help you. Although we would have to do it from a distance. Okay, thanks for watching with me, guys.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.